next project for me. It's not really a project. This is more of a, because I want to. It already has a electrical outlet. It's not an outlet. It's a switch, electrical switches. And there's another one across the room. And they already are on there, the electrical plates. But I like pink. And this is my room. And I want a pink glittery thing. So I'm going to take this off and put these on. And they come with the screws, little screws. I have my little screwdriver, flathead. And we're going to see how it does. A minute. Sorry, I know I'm giving y'all heck for the movement, but I don't have any. This is on my phone, and I don't have a tripod. I know there's a ghost in this house. Swear, I'm the only one here, and you hear that bump in the background? Yep. Yep. Swear there's a ghost here. And he don't like me. Let's see if this is gonna, this fly. Oh yes. If I got a, nope, maybe not. Let's see. Oh yeah, there you go. Gonna take this out. Take this one out. Yeah. There we go. Another one. 4 screws all together on the third. Another one. Last screw for this one. No, the electric is not turned off. I'm not planning on sticking my screwdriver anywhere inside. I'm gonna take this plate off, put the new plate on, put the new screws in. Now, we got the new plate on, and well, I might have to lay you down for a second to open the screw. Second. I'm still here, just a second. One more little package of screws. I'll pick it up and yeah, there we go. Okay. Little screw. I don't know if you can see it right there. And of course I dropped the first one. Let's see. Let's see. Once you get the first one in, don't have to hold it. Here we go. Okay, tighten. Next one. Oh, I know I'm not talking much. I'm just trying to get this done. But yeah, just keep screwing it until it stops. I got these off Amazon. If anybody's wondering, I buy a lot of stuff off Amazon. I have a bird too. I know I showed you my snakes, but I have a bird. She's staying with my uncle right now while I get this fixed. She's a Harlequin macaw, huge bird. I inherited her from my mother when she passed. My mother passed, and we're going to be bringing her over soon, but I'm going to build her a cage, so we'll have to film that. I'm going to build her a big cage in the living room in there, and she was going to be, I know she's going to like that. So there, anyway, there's the first switch. We're going to go across the wall, across the way. This one's going to be a little harder because I have right behind the snake thing. But same thing, take off the old faceplate and screws. Don't stick your screwdriver inside at any point. This is going to be a little difficult. It's an angle. There we go, side. Let me see if I can move, because my hand, once again, my hand is, I gotta get a good position to handle this. There's another screw. There's another one coming out now. Now, light switch flickered. I think it's because screw. I'm going to have to get there are tweezers. Got a screw out there. Okay. Open this one. It's another. Y'all failed. Sorry. Right out my hand. Right out my hand. Taking longer to get out of this thing. There we go. Okay, so another, like I showed you, it's another pink one. And we're just gonna put it right. It is big. Yeah, well, it is an old house. Yeah. Okay. And I gotta open these and lay y'all down for a sec. Be right back. Give me a minute. Not even a minute. 20 seconds. 20 seconds maybe. One, this package is open, the screws. Second, little package of screws is open. And we're back. Okay. I got 4 screws. It goes Right in there somewhere. Oops, sorry guys. This one's giving me issues. There's always one of something that gives you an issue when you're doing stuff like this. Let's see. Lots gone in. Yep. Nope. Okay, I'll be right back. Let me get at least one screw in. I'll be right back. This is gonna work. I did get one screw in, but I'm having trouble. The others. Not going in. See, and there's always an issue, no matter what. This is just not, and you can't really. See, it's not in at all. And you got this back. Can't really. One screw done fell out. This one right. I should be in now. Might have that one in. Okay. There it is. I'm gonna have this one in. Doesn't feel like it's in now. Oh, maybe it's. I might have to go get my other screw. Alright, let me go get my other screw. Okay, we're back. Smaller screwdriver. Let's see if this one works. Oh, man. Come on. That one's might be in. That one's in. Let's try to get this one in. See? It's like it's not even in the groove or nothing. Track. Screw track. I don't know what the fancy word is. It's just not going in. Now it's going in at an angle. Oh, maybe. Now I'm trying it the wrong way. righty tighty, lefty loosey for the most part. Oh, I think I think it's going in. Okay, last screw. Let's see if we can get it in. Let me try that. I think it might be going in. Let me try. And now I know I shouldn't be putting these in because I gotta paint, but it's okay. I'll put some tape or something around it. Anyway, I think it's in. I think it's off. Let's see what we can find to do next.